It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 4th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures to remain below average for the foreseeable future around here as we start to dry out today and tomorrow, but don't get used to it because the unsettled weather will return this weekend. And could we have yet another surprise courtesy of the tropics late next week? A lot going on. Let us discuss. All right, the almanac from yesterday, 87 degrees for the high, 74 the morning low. And outside right now here at 6 a.m., mostly clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 66, humidity 83%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area this morning, 66, the cool spot at North Scottsdale. It's in the upper 60s at South Mountain, Chandler, Buckeye. Most of us, though, are in the low and middle 70s. The upper air look, the trough that was responsible for bringing Rosa on across the region the last several days, is now moving eastward. It is weakening, but still showers and storms ongoing north of us. We see that on the watch warning map. A flash flood watch continues in parts of northern Arizona. As of this update, still a flash flood warning for parts of San Bernardino and Clark counties, as well as central Mojave County around the Kingman area. Elsewhere, we've got winter weather advisories going on in parts of Montana and North Dakota around Rugby and Devil's Lake and Langdon. They're seeing their first snow of the season. Freeze warnings in parts of South Dakota. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Longview, Lubbock, Texas, east toward Elk City, Oklahoma. And here's the rainfall, valid through next Thursday morning, coming from the WPC. Amounts between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch here in the valley. Somewhat heavier amounts across the favored upslope areas of central and northern Arizona. And let's get out to the details of our weather now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Our upper trough races off to the northeast today. There's another disturbance that's poised to move through here tomorrow, a southwest flow. And down at the surface, well, we'll see a few clouds around today, but otherwise mostly sunny. The humidity levels will certainly be lower than yesterday, but still above where they should be for early October. Highs this afternoon, mostly mid-80s. I'd say between about 84 and 87. Tonight, clear skies. Lows for most of us should be down in the 60s. Then tomorrow, a very weak shortwave moves across the area, mostly sunny skies, maybe just a few high clouds, highs low to mid-80s. On Saturday, we start to see the weather pattern really transitioning here across the western United States as a trough rapidly starts to deepen. Very cold air in the mid-levels comes south with that. So we'll see mostly sunny skies in the morning around here, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. Then, with the cold air aloft and very strong winds in the mid-levels, we'll see showers and isolated thunderstorms coming in here Saturday night. And a few of those storms could be on the strong side. We'll have to watch for that sometime Saturday evening, early Sunday morning. Otherwise, the day on Sunday is mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and storms. The GFS is a little bit less bullish on the chances of rain around here, just showing widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, while the European shows a more concentrated rain event. In fact, if the European were to verify, we'd have rain pretty much all day. And could be as much as about an inch of rain if the European is correct, because it shows even colder air aloft. This is up at about 18,000 feet. It's got temperatures around minus 20 Celsius. That's obviously well below average for early October. And so this is a really cold core system that's coming on through here. So obviously a very efficient rain producer if this is correct. All right, as we go back to the GFS on Monday, partly cloudy skies, a slight chance of showers and storms around here. We'd be still plenty cool. Highs mid and upper 70s, around 10 to 15 degrees below average. Tuesday, mostly sunny, highs near 80. And then Wednesday, there's a tropical system approaching us from the southwest. Yes, the GFS has been very consistent in advertising this. Still, that's a low confidence solution, but starting to see at least some of the ensembles latch onto this idea. Here we go out to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 11th of October, and yes, this is still a low-confidence solution. Got that tropical system moving to the north and east toward our area just off the Baja coast at this point. Clouds would be on the increase. Showers and storms would be spreading into western Arizona if this were to be correct, and high temperatures would remain below average, still in the low to mid-80s. Here's Friday the 12th, and the GFS has the center of this system now east of Yuma. And so heavy rain would be ongoing across at least the western half of our state. And then here's the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 13th, and that looks like a zonal flow returning to our area, drying out, and temperatures still below average, probably only in the low 80s. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yep, below average for the next 10 to 15 days. and no one's complaining about it. And the better news is that we have above average chances of precipitation at least through mid-October. So we can at least take a small bite out of that large drought that we have ongoing here across the Southwest. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.